Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today we will do the review of the Apple's AirPod Max. It was available starting at the 15th December 2020. So let's get on with the review.
So let's get on to that. So for the Apple AirPods Max, that's a very good thing. It's actually like a headset. It's not like the AirPods you actually use get like that. So it's actually like a headset. So let's head to more of its specifications. It's having an audio technology, and it's having before we go to the audio technology, I'll tell you all the colors it has. It has black, it has silver, it has space gray, it has sky blue, it has pink, it has green. So I honestly, according to my opinion, I like the sky blue better, and the white silver one. The silver one is also better. So for the audio technology, as we go, the Apple designed dynamic driver, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. As you go to the sensors, it's having an optical sensor, each ear cup, positive sensor, each ear cup, case detective sensor, each ear cup, accelerometer, each ear cup, gyroscope, left ear cup. Now let's head to the microphones.
So microphone, it has 9 microphones totally and 8 microphones for active noise cancellations, 3 microphones for voice pickups, two share with the active noise cancellation and one additional microphone. And the chipset is the Apple H1 headphone chip, each ear cup. And the controls, digital ground for the turn for the volume control. Press 1 to play, pause, or answer a phone call. Press twice to skip forward. Press 3 times to skip back. And a noise control button. Press to switch between the active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The size of the Apple AirPod Max, including the cushions, is at 168.6 millimeters, which is 6.64 inches, and the breadth and length, the 83.4 millimeters and 3.28 inches. The length is 187.3 millimeters, which is 7.37 inches. Weight is 384.8 grams, 13.6 ounces, and a smart case with it 134.5 grams, 4.74 ounces. Battery 10.
So for the battery, this thing can stay up to 20 hours of listening time on a single charge with an active noise cancellation or a transparency mode enabled. Up to 20 hours of movie playback on a single charge with an spatial audio on. Up to 20 hours of talk time on a single charge. 5 minutes of charge time provides around 1.5 hours of listening time. And AirPods Max with the smart case. Storage in the smart case preserves battery charge in ultra low power state charging via lighting connector. Connectivity over there is a Bluetooth 5.0. In the box there are AirPods Mac. Obviously, it's having a smart case. It's lightning to the USB-C cable and a documentation.
So, accessibility features help people with disabilities get the most out of the new AirPod Max. Includes the features of the live listen audio, headphone levels, headphone accommodations. System requirements is iPhone or iPod Touch models with the latest version of iOS, iPad models with the latest version of iPad OS, Apple Watch models with the latest version of the Mac OS, Watch OS, and Mac models with the latest version of macOS, Apple TV models with the latest version of the TV OS, and it is compatible with so many iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac models, and Apple TVs also, and iPod models also. So all the models, okay, only Apple models, no Samsung and no Xiaomi or something like that. So we have one thing, AirPod Max and the environment. Apple takes a complete product life cycle approach to determining our environment impact. AirPod Max are designed with the following features to reduce the environmental impact: the beryllium-free and PVC-free, and the brominated flame retardant-free. These three are free. not price free, but it is not included.
So as we go for the next one, so guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, press the notification button if you guys like this video. So guys, turn on the notification button and like, subscribe, comment, and share, and turn on the notification button, and that to this channel, which is called AKA Tech World. You guys can see subscribe, like, and share, and press the notification button so guys will get notified if there's a new video. And we will see you in the next video. And tell your friends to do that also, and don't remember to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't unsubscribe, because like last week we had 125 subscribers, and right, like suddenly 112 subscribers decreased, and now we want more, we want like subscribers to increase, and you guys, some
Now
people.
we have 115 subscribers, 3 subscriber increase.
Yes, so 3 subscribers increased in the last video. It is 112 subscribers. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share, and press the notification button. Tell your friends to do that. Also, if you press the notification button, you guys will be notified if you see a new video. And we will see you in the next video, the wrap and a whoop, and we will see you. Bye bye.
Bye.